Good morning everyone. In previous class we discussed the plant section, okay, then something about the cross section, lime concrete, first footing, second footing. Then in this class we discussed the remaining part of the diagram. The ground level here showing, and here the plinth level also showing here. The ground to plinth distance, we consider plinth height, okay. Plinth height is given is 60 centimeter. Here below ground level the same 40 centimeter line is continue some height which contain 20 centimeter, okay. The total height of the 40 centimeter wall is 20 plus 60 is 80. After that the 2.5 centimeter DPC is provided, okay. DPC means dam proof course. Already the question in specification is given, okay. After DPC the 30 centimeter thickness wall is provided which contain 3.50 meter height, okay. It is known as the superstructure. Above plinth wall is superstructure, below plinth wall we consider as substructure, okay. Then after that we going through the calculation part. Here the detail of measurement and calculation of quantities is given. So first here the abstract is given, item number, description of item of work, then number, dimension case length, breadth, height or depth, then quantities, then last one is total quantities. Or we can write here the remarks, okay. So here we use the abstract we given in detailed estimate abstract, okay. We can also use this abstract. So first item number is given here. Item number 1, description of item work, or we can write here particulars of item, okay. So first particular is what? Earthwork in excavation in foundation. So before we going through the calculation part, first we have to know what do you mean by excavation in foundation. Before we going through the foundation construction part, first of all we know how to construct it. So before we construction, we going through the excavation part, because the foundation is the bottommost part of the structure, or it is lies below the ground level. So first of all, to lie the foundation below the ground level of the soil of the building. So we have to excavate the earth, okay. It is known as the earthwork excavation. So first of all, in this case we consider the bottommost part of the foundation. It means the bottommost part of the foundation means in this case the excavation length and breadth we consider in the basis of length of bottom of the foundation and the breadth of the bottom of the foundation. But the height of the foundation we consider in the basis of the formula, it's from the bottom of the foundation to the ground level. How many distance covered by the bottom of the foundation to the ground level, it is known as the height or depth of the earthwork excavation, okay. So first of all we going through the excavation part. So first we know about excavation is considered, excavation length and breadth we consider in the basis of bottommost of the part of the foundation. Here the bottommost part of the foundation is what? Here the bottommost part of the foundation is lime concrete, okay. So in the basis of lime concrete we consider the earthwork excavation length and breadth only, okay. So here length is provided, length is what? 6 meter, because we construct for the 6 meter long wall, okay. Here length is 6 meter. Then the length of Lime concrete, how can we define? From the cross section value. So from the cross section is here, we indicate the length of lime concrete is 80 centimeter. So breadth of lime concrete is how much? 80 centimeter. Length of lime concrete is 6 meter, and height, then we going to the excavation height. What is the formula for excavation height? Excavation height formula is from the bottom of the foundation to the ground level. What is the bottom of the foundation? It means this point where is the lime concrete started, from the starting point of lime concrete to the ground level. Okay, here the lime concrete thickness is 30. After that, fast footing thickness is 20. 30 plus 20 is 50. 10 plus fast footing thickness is 20. So 20 plus 10 is 20 is 40. Then second, then the ground below the ground level 40 centimeter wall provided in 20 centimeter thickness. So total thickness we add 30 centimeter plus 20 centimeter plus 20 centimeter plus 20 centimeter. 30 centimeter for what? 30 centimeter for lime concrete, 20 centimeter for fast footing, 20 centimeter, then up to 20 centimeter for second footing, then 20 centimeter for 40 centimeter wall below the ground level. So here the total height is 90 meter. Okay, we can write the height in for remax. Okay, then we get the quantity. How can we get the quantity? We know the quantity formula is what? The numbers into length into breadth into height. So how many numbers of excavation? Only one numbers, because one numbers of wall only here. Then length is what? 6 meter. Then how can we consider? The basis of cement concrete distance. Okay. Then breadth is here 0.80 meter. How can we consider? It is the basis of cement concrete breadth, because it is the lowermost part of the foundation. Then we go to the height part. Height, how can we define the height? 90 meter. It is not 90 meter. It is 0.9 meter. Okay. 0.9 meter. 0.9 meter or 90 centimeter. Okay. So total quantity is how much? 1 into 6 into 0.8 into 0.9. Then we get the quantity 4.32 cubic. Okay. Or meter cube. Then we are going to the second part. Lime concrete in foundation. So we know lime concrete length is equal to how much? 6 meter. Breadth is equal to how much? 0.8 meter. Already specified here. Thickness is equal to how much? Thickness is equal to, especially lime concrete thickness is equal to how much? 30 centimeter. So the total quantity is length is 6 meter, breadth is 0.8 meter, thickness is 0.30 meter. It is specially for lime concrete, not a total part of the foundation. Okay. So the quantity is 1 into 6 into 0.8 into 0.3 is equal to 1.44. Its unit is cubic. Okay. Then we going to the third part, first class brickwork in lime mortar in foundation and plinth. Okay, what is the first class brickwork in lime mortar in foundation and plinth? So first of all, we know about foundation and plinth. It is the plinth distance below plinth level to ground level. From plinth level, or we can say here, from ground level to plinth level distance, it is known as plinth. Then here, first footing also contain first class brickwork. Second footing also contain first class brickwork. Third or plinth height also contain first class brickwork. It means here the first we consider first footing. Below, here the first class brickwork in lime mortar in foundation and plinth. So foundation means foundations. In case of foundation, where the brickwork is used. So in case of foundation, in first footing brickwork also used, in second footing brickwork also used, in plinth brickwork also used. Okay. So then first we consider the first footing, then we consider the second footing, then after that we consider the plinth wall up to ground level, plinth wall above ground level. Okay. So today time is over. Next remaining part we discuss in the next class. Okay. Thank you. In next class we discuss the length, breadth, height. How can we define from the figure. Okay. Thank you.